Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nur Khatijah binti Hashim. My metric number is S59813. Today I would like to share you about my individual assignment, which is statement of cash flow. So here our question, we have the additional information that we need. Then second one, we need to fill in the blank the worksheet statement of cash flow, which is a debit side and credit side. And last, we need to prepare the statement of cash flow for success perhaps for the year ended 31st December to 2021. So in the base question, we should use the indirect method format according to MFRS 107. Okay, here for the additional information for the year 2021 for this company. So for the number one, cash dividend 10,000 were paid during the year, meaning that this particular we declare has a dividend paid for 10,000. We should put in financing activities. For the second one, land which is original cost 60,000 was sold for 52,000. So meaning that there is half the loss of disposal of land, which is 8,000. Uh, the calculation is 60,000 minus 52,000. So we get 8,000 for loss of disposal of land. Second one is 50,000. We should put in investing activity has a sale on land. Okay, for the next, ordinary share were issued for the cash, meaning that there is the new issuance for the ordinary share. So for the number 4, that is give to us, the net profit before taxation amounted 21,000. Okay, now we proceed to the worksheet for the reconciliation item. In this worksheet, show that the beginnings balance, which is 31st December 2020, and the end balance, which is 31st December 2021. So lands, as we can see that land account show there is a decrease because in additional information show that there is half disposal of land. So we need to credit 60,000 on credit sides. So now for the equipment, show the increase amounted 90,000. So we assume that there is have a purchase of new equipment. Third, the inventory also show that increase amounted 20,000, meaning that there is a purchase of inventory. For the next, for account receivable, show that increase amounted 13,000, meaning that we assume that have a sale on account. Okay, now we move to cash. Okay, cash also increase amounted 35,000. So we assume that a cash account receive the cash. Okay, now I want to tell about share capital of ordinary share. So for that account, show that increase amounted 10,000. So we assume that account have new issuance for the new issuance share for this account. So for the return earning also, there is have two reconciliation item, which is on debit side and credit side. So why I put in there, so I want to show you in the working of the return earning account. So in a debit side, we have a dividend paid 10,000. As we know, in additional information said the dividend paid is 10,000, and profit for the credit side, profit for the year is 21,000 for the net profit before taxations. So we put in debit side is 10,000 and credit side is 21,000. So the ending balance is 71,000. So for the bond payable is should decrease. So meaning that we have a payment for the bond payable. And next for the accumulated depreciation equipment show that increase. So we assume that 40,000 in credit side is depreciation for the year. Okay, last but not least, for the account payable, show that decrease amount to 3,000. So we assume that the success Sdn Bhd made a payment to the supplier. Okay, now we proceed to the statement of cash flow. So, success number had statement of cash flow for the year ended 31st December 2021. So, there is have a net profit before taxations adjustment for 21,000 we got from the additional informations. So, depreciation expenses 14,000 we got for the reconciliation item and also working in the T account here, depreciation expenses, and then loss on disposal land we got from the additional information 60,000 minus 52,000, so we got 8,000. So now we got operating for a profit before working capital changes 43,000. So we also have increase in inventory. We should outflow minus 20,000. And also have increase on account receivable 13,000 outflow, decrease on account payable 3,000 outflow. So we got net cash generated from operating activities is 7,000. So now we move to the investing activities. We have proceed from disposal of land. We also get from the additional information 50,000 inflow, and we got the purchase of equipment. So because we are assumed that the increase of on equipment account meaning that purchase, so we purchase of equipment 9,000. So net cash for investing activity is 43,000. So for the financing activities, we also assume that there is in additional information there is have the new issuance of ordinary share 10,000 inflow, and additional information also said there is a dividend paid 10,000 outflow, and we also have the redemption of bond payment or payment of bond payable 15,000. So we got the for the financing activities is net cash used in financing activities is negative 15,000. So we plus together which is we plus that particular by activities. So we plus here, we plus 7 42, and that 1%. So we got 35,000 for net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalent. So for the brought forward, we got for the these ones. So ending balance and beginning balance. So the brought forward 30,000 and carry forward 60,000. So for the net increase 35,000. So I also attach the working for your review. That one has your reference. Thank you.